Hi viewers, today we're looking at the date part function for looking at the for extracting the day part of a date. So first of all, I'm going to record a macro by going to the View tab in Excel 2013 and clicking on record so that I can create this VBA code. I'm going to name the macro date underscore part, actually date part underscore days, and then underscore fx, and click on OK, and then I'm going to click on stop, and then I'm going to go to the view tab again. I'm going to go to the macro section of the view tab and click on view macros. The date part days macro I created is there. I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to get rid of this stuff up here. Yeah, so I'm going to delete the comments in here. I'm going to paste in the code. I'm going to get rid of the duplicate end subs and the duplicate sub, and there's my code. So don't actually need this error handling on the here underneath, it just needs to be above. You can see my error handling above the code I'm writing, or the line of code I've written, which is on error resume next, and then underneath that you've got a message box, and within that message box you've got the brackets that holds the function date part. The D there basically says extract the date part of the current date and time, which is now, which is the date function in Excel, and it's saying start the first day of the week as VB Sunday as Sunday. So sometimes settings on calendars are set to start the first day of the week is Monday, but in this case it's Sunday. And then VB first of Jan says start the first calendar day is the 1st of Jan. What you can do is you can either run this in the VBA editor by clicking on the run icon there. It looks like a play button, which runs it as 1. So yeah, so it's run as the first. Today's the 1st of June, so that's run as the 1st of June. Or you can close this and go into Excel and go to the View tab and then click on the macros section button and then run it again, and you can see it's saying 1 is the as the 1st of June 2015, so it's the first day of the month. So that's basically the date part days function, which extracts the current day of the month uh, from the date and time formula, which is the noun function shown there, and that's it.